you still looking at me?
Coronavirus. This is John. He has been infected by the coronavirus, but at first, there were no signs of him showing that he really got infected by the coronavirus. Now, why is that? When a human gets infected by the coronavirus, it will take 2 to 14 days to show signs that the human has been infected by the coronavirus. Signs such as fever, cough and shortness of breath. John now needs to hurry up to the hospital or else the disease will get much worse. John meets the doctor, and the doctor asked him his symptoms. As John explains, the doctor said that it is most likely to be coronavirus as it has been very popular during these tough times. John was then immediately brought to isolation and warded. Coronavirus is a virus that spreads from person to person during close contact. Coronavirus is primarily transmitted from symptomatic people to others who are in close contact through respiratory droplets, by direct contact with infected persons, or by contact with contaminated objects and surfaces. Traveling, closely packed areas and close contact areas are the main ways someone can spread the disease to others. Antibiotics do not work against viruses. The 2019 cough is a virus and, therefore, antibiotics should not be used as a means of prevention or treatment. There are still no vaccines for coronavirus. There are only some symptoms that can be treated, like lowering the temperature using fever medicines/drugs, as it is still not possible to actually cure coronavirus. Medicines won't be able to cure coronavirus. Only your immune systems will be able to cure coronavirus. The current treatments are only temporary as they are not cures. The best way of preventing the spread is to just stay at home, and while going out you will need to wear a mask whether you are healthy or not. If you feel like you don't feel well, it is recommended to see a doctor. When going out we must practice social distancing. Eating meat might also be dangerous as this can also infect you. Stay at home.